Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to get the Grass node on your PC. First, install a Linux-based OS or use WSL if you're on Windows. Now open Terminal and update all system packages for compatibility. Then, install node.js and Git to manage dependencies and clone the repo. Clone the official Grassnode repository from GitHub to your PC. Navigate to the clone folder where the node files are located. Next, install project dependencies using npm or yarn in the node folder. Configure the node by editing any required environment or config files. After that, run the Grass node with the appropriate command to start syncing. Keep the node running using a process manager like PM2 or Screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.